Nice car. There isn't a more option-packed 2008 Mitsubishi Galant than this fully loaded gem. A very stylish, yet amazingly practical vehicle that not only keeps what you carry organized, but adjusts easily to accommodate all the fun things you pick up in your travels. J.D. Power has named the 2008 Galant as the highest ranked in overall initial quality in its class. With our 5-day money-back guarantee, you can buy with confidence. If you decide that the vehicle you purchased is not exactly what you wanted, you can return the vehicle up to 5 days after taking delivery without penalty. This is not an exchange policy. It is a true 5-day money-back return policy. We just have a limit of 500 miles on the vehicle from delivery.